Hey coaches, so today I'm going to show you how to manage your availability type. So this comes in handy during event or coaching program engagements because it allows your clients to book according to your schedule and your availability. So to start off, you click on your name and go to My Settings. So under Appointment and Calendar, you'll see availability types. If you like to create a new availability type, select Add. This is to edit it and this is to delete it, okay? So we're going to use an availability type that we have created beforehand. So this is where you'll name your availability type, and over here, you'll be able to see what event or coaching program it is currently being used for. So it's good to know that if it is currently being used, you'll be unable to delete it. Okay, so when it comes to dates, you choose this option if you like to allow your clients to see a wider range of your schedule and to allow them to book a little bit more further ahead of on your availability. Okay, so you can select an end date with it, you can not. So if you would like to limit the amount of availability your clients can see at a time, you can select rolling days instead. So it would limit the amount of days they'll be able to book ahead of time. Okay, so on this row, you'll be able to set a generic schedule of your week. Okay, so over here, for example, if I choose not to work on a Thursday and or Sunday, I could just select unavailable and apply it to Thursdays and Sundays. Okay, now you can also customize the timing of your work schedule. So for example, on Saturdays, I don't really want to work the full days, so I would instead end at 2 p.m. instead. And you can see that this will apply to all of your subsequent weeks as well. And you can also, add in a new interval for Thursdays. So for example, I like to start at 12 p.m. and end at 9 p.m. I can do that as well. So for this larger monthly calendar, you'll be able to choose a more specific date. For example, on the 26th of March, it's my anniversary. So I'm not going to actually work on that day. Unavailable. And you can also apply this to other specific dates. So you could just offhandedly select these. And of course, you could change the month as well, okay? Yeah. And we've come down to showing your availability in increments of. So for 30 minutes, it means that the time slots your clients will be able to see would be like 9, 9:30, and 10. So if it's 15 minutes, it'll be 9, 9:15, and 9:30. Okay, so this is in reference to the time slots that your clients will be able to see. Okay, so after you're done with everything, just select Save. And there you have it. You have made an availability type. Okay, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching.